Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by signing in. Open Settings or System Settings and tap your name. Once done, authenticate with your Apple ID password so changes are permitted. Make sure two-factor authentication prompts reach a trusted device or phone. If they don't, pause and verify trusted phone numbers first. You need the current password and device passcode to edit account details. Keep a note of the new phone number to add, and have SMS access ready, because Apple will send verification codes during the process. Now update the actual number. Go into Name, Phone Numbers, Email, and tap Edit or Add Phone Number. Choose to add a new number rather than immediately deleting the old one. Enter the new number precisely, then request the verification code by text or call. When the code arrives, type it in to confirm the number is trusted. Once verified, you can remove the old number if desired. Make sure you retain at least one trusted number for two-factor authentication before deleting anything. Finish by checking that the new number is listed under Trusted Phone Numbers and that iMessage and FaceTime reflect the change. Sign out and back in on other devices so everything syncs. If you encounter verification problems, first restart the device and ensure SMS works on the new number. Sometimes switching from Wi-Fi to cellular or using another network helps. If codes still don't arrive, remove and re-add the number after verifying carrier settings, or use Apple ID account recovery as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.